This is a chicken in deep trouble. She owes over 200 gold coins, and her creditors are closing in fast. She is a single mother of 4, working a minimum wage job just to survive. Every paycheck goes into rent, groceries, and feeding her chicks. Despite working long hours, she lives paycheck to paycheck and feels like she is drowning in debt. In college, she became pregnant the same year she lost both of her parents. With no one to support her, she dropped out and took out a large loan to cover the cost of giving birth. After her chicks were born, she continued borrowing just to keep them fed and housed. Eventually, she found work at Mr. Beak's farm, but her salary barely covered her debt. She maxed out credit cards, took payday loans, and even borrowed from her ex. At her lowest point, she discovered leverage. She realized that she had been working hard but not smart. Leverage is about using tools, systems, and resources to multiply results without multiplying effort. She took stock of what she had: her evenings after 8:30 p.m., her phone, her knowledge of corn farming, and her personal story. She used these assets to start 2 YouTube channels, one for farming and one for her daily life. She committed to posting content daily. In the beginning, no one watched, but she kept going. After 8 months, she had over 4,000 subscribers and started earning a small monthly income. She used that money to hire help with chores, gaining back time to create more content. 18 months later, she was earning over $1,1200 a month, but the debt still lingered. She decided to hire a financial expert to create a structured debt payoff plan. With peace of mind, she continued building her business. Eventually, she left Mr. Beak's farm and started her own corn farming business. She partnered with other small creators and farmers to launch a new venture called Only Farms. When operations became too complex, she hired a programmer to automate their systems. Today, she is debt-free, runs her own business, and controls her time and future. The lesson is clear: use whatever leverage you have. Use money to buy back time, and use that time to build more leverage.